Look at any planet. Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. Every one is round. That should bother you. The universe is chaotic and violent, so why does it keep making spheres? And here's the scary part. If Earth weren't round, oceans would drain, the atmosphere would escape, and life would end instantly. So the real question isn't just why planets are round, it's why round planets are necessary for life to exist at all. Now imagine this. Somewhere in the universe right now, a planet is being born. Not smooth, not beautiful, just a violent pile of broken rocks smashing itself together. And yet, given enough time, that chaos will be forced into a perfect shape. No designer, no plan, just physics. So who is responsible for making planets round? Where does this happen? When did it start? And most importantly, how does the universe pull this off every single time? To answer that, we need to go back to the beginning. About 4.6 billion years ago, long before Earth had oceans or air or life, the solar system was nothing more than a spinning cloud of gas and dust. This wasn't a calm place. Rocks collided at thousands of kilometers per hour. Ice shattered, metal fused. Early planets did not form gently, they formed violently. At first, nothing was round. The earliest planetary building blocks were jagged, uneven, and chaotic. These objects are called planetesimals, and many of them still exist today as asteroids. If you look at asteroids closely, you'll notice something strange. They're not round at all. They look like floating debris. That observation alone gives us our first clue. So what separates a planet from an asteroid? Size, and with size comes power, specifically gravitational power. Gravity is the unseen force that shapes the universe. It doesn't care about beauty, it doesn't care about symmetry, it only cares about one thing, pulling mass toward the center, and it does this equally from all directions. As long as an object is small, its gravity is weak. Solid rock can resist being reshaped, sharp edges survive, lumpy forms remain frozen in place. But when an object grows large enough, gravity becomes relentless. It starts pulling mountains down, it crushes tall structures, it forces material to flow, even if that material is solid rock. At this point, the object crosses a critical threshold known as hydrostatic equilibrium. This is the moment gravity finally wins. Once that happens, there is only one stable shape possible: a sphere. Not because spheres are perfect, but because they are efficient. A sphere is the shape that distributes gravity evenly in all directions. Any bump gets pulled down, any dip gets filled. Over millions of years, gravity smooths everything out. The planet doesn't choose to become round, it is forced to. This answers the how, but it raises another question. Where exactly does this happen? The answer is simple and profound. Everywhere gravity dominates. Every large body in the universe follows this rule. Stars are round, large moons are round, planets are round. Even dwarf planets like Pluto are round enough to qualify. But notice the pattern. Smaller objects, asteroids, comets, and space debris remain irregular. They never reached the size required for gravity to reshape them. So roundness is not a coincidence, it's a signature. It tells us that an object became massive enough for physics to take control. Most people miss this. Planets aren't perfect spheres. Earth bulges at the equator. Jupiter is visibly flattened. The reason is rotation. As a planet spins, centrifugal force pushes material outward. Faster spin means a bigger bulge. Planets are only as round as gravity allows while they rotate. This balance between gravity and spin shapes a planet, and it matters enormously. A mostly round planet can hold an atmosphere, trap heat, and keep liquid water stable. Even gravity lets air and oceans stay in place. Without this shape, gravity would be uneven, gases would escape, water would disappear, and the climate would fail. Life doesn't just prefer round planets, life depends on them. Earth's shape allows seasons, weather, oceans, and long-term stability. It allows the atmosphere to recycle. It allows the planet to protect itself with a magnetic field. All of this starts with one simple requirement: enough gravity to become round. So when you look at a planet, you're not just seeing a world, you're seeing a survivor. A body massive enough to impose order on chaos, a structure forced into balance by the fundamental laws of the universe. And that brings us full circle. No one designed planets to be round, no intelligence planned it, no cosmic rulebook demanded it. The universe simply follows physics, and physics favors spheres. So the next time you see a planet hanging silently in space, remember this. That shape isn't accidental. It's the result of billions of years of gravity crushing chaos into order. And without it, none of us would be here to ask the question in the first place. If space makes you curious, confused, or completely amazed, you're in the right place. Subscribe to Space Facts and let's explore the universe together, one question at a time.